Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I will go over Unreal Engine's user interface, layout, and tabs. In the previous video, I showed you how to create your first project. Now that we have it open, let's go over the layout. First of all, let's go to Window, Load Layout, and select UE for Classic Layout. There are different tabs you need to know how to work with. I'll go over them one by one. Viewport is where you interact with the world you're building. Place actors is where there are some engine default assets you can use, like lights, cameras, or basic shapes. Content browser is where all the assets are saved and stored, like meshes, materials, textures, and so on. Outliner is the list of all that you have placed in the world. Details is where you have access to settings for the actors in the world. I'll go over each of these tabs in a separate video. The entire user interface is adjustable. You can resize each tab or move them and drag them wherever you want. And if the entire interface gets to a point where you've damaged it and don't know what you've done, you can load the default layouts from Window, Load Layout, Default Editor Layout, or UE for Classic Layout. You can also create your own layout and save it. For example, let me create one now. Okay, after you have the layout you're comfortable with, go to Window, Save Layout As, and name it whatever you want. Now the next time your layout has changed, you can go to Window, Load Layout, and there you have the layout you previously saved. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it's been helpful. And if it was, make sure to like and subscribe down below. I'm Hoj and I create environments and archivist projects with Unreal Engine. Thank you guys for watching and I'm gonna see you in the next one.